Hello, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I want to show you some of our product. This is our valve assembly. Yes, if you're interested about this one, please follow me. We pack the VCI anti-roll specs, right? And also here with the label, it's a Shumatt logos. If you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us. And the logo, label, the packaging bag, and so on. Yes. The product code F00VC01050. And the application model number 0445110221. The QR code on this part. And actually we have two forms of our packages. This is a whole side. Also, we sell the separate part. This one, on the surfaces, it has a coating with curved letters. And also, this one is a valve rod, and we have different sizes and lengths. If you want other sizes, you can contact us. Okay, that's all. And actually, we also want to share with you 3 tips. The first tip is clean with oil. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. And the third tip is make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Yes. And about warranty, we have 6 months warranties. And any detailed information if you want to know, remember to contact us, use the phone, and the WhatsApp, the Facebook, and so on. Yes? Okay. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.